I'm gonna come.
You always come.
Alright, recording.
Alright. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for some cum?
Alright, wait. Let me close my door and turn off my light.
Yeah, all my lights are off.
Got a laptop.
I also got a laptop. I got a laptop too. Izzer, do you not have a laptop?
I'm out the window. I'm looking out the window. I can't do anything.
Look down.
I'm not clicking the laptop. That's
Who's
passive.
talking?
That's a passive.
Who's talking?
Oh, he's in the front seat.
Oh, he's in the front? Oh, me and Chris, we in the back. Wait, Chris, we on the laptop?
Hey, y'all, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain, boys.
We with Kelvin, bro.
Your name's...
Yo, why is he looking at you like that?
Why are you looking at me like that, bro?
Why is he side-eyeing me? What the... Java, my, the helicopter crashes.
31, Edward Muffin. Hey, that girl trophy. Who's this?
My helicopter...
Yo, what the fuck?
Did the helicopter crash?
We're crashing.
We're crashing.
Yeah, I already
We're
crashed.
crashing.
I already fucking crashed. I crashed. What the fuck?
Damn, y'all
We're
playing
crashing.
ass. Y'all playing ass. We didn't even crash yet. Yes, sir. All right. Y'all crashed. Y'all playing ass.
Yo, I'm hanging, bro. I'm dangling.
Dangling.
This dude with the door. Oh no, he about to kill him, bro.
Fight demons. Oh, this is a Crystal album.
That nigga.
Oh, we're crashing. We're crashing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Chris. Oh, Chris.
Oh, we're crashing.
This
We're
dude with the
crashing.
door, man. This dude with the door.
This nigga fucking soul.
Oh my god.
The dude with the door, bro.
The dude with the door,
dangling.
bro. He literally...
He was fine where he was at. Why did he do that?
Yo, what's going on? Yo, what?
How did we crash?
I don't even know.
Please, oh, this dude could know where it's gonna fall.
Yo!
He's a retard. This guy's a retard.
Punch into my head! You saw the guy, bro?
Yes, bro. Who's a retard?
Some futuristic nigga just smacked me in the back of my head, bro.
I got a knife. Let me chop this down real quick. Yes. Oh!
Yo, this nigga is writhing around.
Why the futuristic
Reviving him.
in my ass?
Oh, it's Kelvin. Oh, man, dead.
Y'all chopping down trees already?
No.
Nah, we like grabbing his head. We talking to Kelvin, bro.
Yeah. Chris, I just see your face appear in the screen, bro.
Wow, this game is really beautiful, man.
Chris.
Hey guys!
Ew.
Hey! Ugh. Why you look like that? Oh my god.
Bro, when you said that, bro, your face.
The kill's black! Look! He's black!
Black, he's black.
Black!
What the fuck do you have in your hand?
Oh, grenade! Grenade!
Whoa.
It's okay.
Damn, these niggas sweat as fuck!
Yeah.
It's scary. It's scary. It's scary. It's scary. I don't.
Yo, it's a man over there.
Where's the man?
Calvin?
Where's the man at? Where's the man at?
Cause like, he the same shit with Young Boy.
Oh, Miguel, move! Move! The tree! Come on!
All right, it's done. It's done. It's done.
Well done. Get in. Open the damn door! Where do we sleep? Where do we sleep? Where's the bed?
Can y'all see?
Where's Kelvin? Where's Kelvin?
Oh my god, that finisher was crazy. I put a shotgun to his fucking nose.
Where's
And
the
pumped
bed at?
him. That's crazy. I literally barely.
Do we
stepped
literally
over
have
with
to make a
shotgun.
bed?
Literally.
Where's Kelvin?
I think. Well, I guess Kelvin's dead, boys. He ain't
Where
coming
the
back.
fuck is Kelvin? Oh my
I guess Kelvin's
god.
dead.
Oh my god, Israel, you're white.
I am?
You're black.
He said I'm white. I am.
I can't see nothing, bro.
I gotta check on a second. And I
Miguel,
gotta
did you
check on
just
the
throw a
third.
fucking log at me?
Did you throw a rock at him?
This is
threw a
this is
log.
You threw a log!
A whole log. How do you even pick up a log?
Oh my god. Oh
I just
my
looked to my
god,
left, a
dude.
log just bounced off my head.
Look, Miguel, this is so beautiful.
Ooga booga, ooga booga,
Mountains,
ooga
the
booga,
stars, look
ooga
at the
booga.
moon.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah!
Yeah, so you could tase him and then fuck him.
Oh my god. What's up with you and fucking animals, Chris, man? Come on. We should make this our base, but like, how do we mark it though?
Oh, it's already marked.
Wait.
How do you think we got here?
Yo, nigga, shut the fuck up.
This is the music I listen to when I'm walking to class.
This is the music I listen to when I'm walking to class.
Yo, did y'all know
That
that
is-
Pablo Escobar
Wow!
was rich? Yeah, exactly. That's how rich he was. He got Israel scared. It's Pablo coming after Israel right now.
Oh yeah. Who are you?
Rape!
What?
Damn!
where's all my shit?
God.
I didn't save. Fuck.
That's so crazy. You saying same is ridiculous. That's wild.
What's up, my shit?
That's what we like then.
Where's all my shit?
Yeah.
We're here. Don't jump off the cliff.
Alright, jump up.
Actually,
Bet.
I'm really tempted to jump off the cliff. I'm not gonna
Want
lie.
me to do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, where's the cave at first?
Right in front of you.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Alright. Woo!
There's no way you jumped.
I'm right here.
Are you alive?
Yeah, I'm right here. Oh, I'm slipping. I'm slipping. I'm down here. Oh, hey, good.
I'm good.
Oh, there he goes.
I'm dead.
You good?
No, I'm dead.
Y'all dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Miguel, you dead?
I'm dying.
Oh, woo, woo, woo. Ah! I'm dead.
Pick me up real quick. Thank you. This nigga smacked me once. Let's get the fuck out. Miguel, you bitch. I'm gonna murder you.
You still grenade?
We need help.
Guys, it's 6.
Help.
6
Help.
o'clock.
Help. Help. Israel. Chris, help.
Oh my god. Run. I'm dead. Get me.
Jesus Christ, I can't. I'm like 1 health. Oh, big nigga. Let's go. Come on, Chris.
Did they kill Kelvin?
There's a lady again. Come here.
Let's follow it. Let's follow it.
Hey, lady.
Are you killing her?
No. There it is. She's fucking useless.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, big nigga.
Let's run, run.
Oh, run, just run, take off, boys, run. Oh my God, this is scary. Y'all running? Y'all running? Run!
I just, oh, it's a wall, it's a fucking wall.
Oh my God. Y'all here? Y'all here?
Chris, look out, look out. That was me. Just watching.
Where are you?
Running up.
I think this is the big, no, I think we made it.